Okay, folks, welcome to Market Wrap for the 21st. To begin, don't forget, tomorrow night, Sunday Night Futures Live. If you're watching this on clips, meaning the free version of the Market Wrap commentary, and you're not on our email list, use the link below. Get notified of when we go live on Sunday nights and Saturday nights and get our free commentary, so that way you get to know me. Also, if you're having trouble with the terminology I use, I have a 5-part video tutorial below on my top 5 favorite candlestick patterns. Take advantage of it, and it is free. Let's get started. Okay, over the course of the past few weeks, I've been saying that this is not going to end well. We, on Thursday last week, added pretty aggressively to the short side of Tesla. I believe NVDA was last Thursday, and the Qs. And today, Tesla gave way. I mean, yesterday, what they did is they savaged the shorts on Tesla. And how did they savage the shorts? They got all the amateur money off of the bench, got them excited. Tesla's going to the moon. Nobody was talking about RSI at an 88 handle. Stochastics were flatlined. And that in all probability, we were going to roll over and roll over hard. And today, Tesla dropped nearly 5.5%. Now, taking a look at the candlestick, this is an outside reversal bar or a bearish engulfing, one of my top 5 favorite candlestick patterns. And in all probability, Tesla is going to move lower. Now, did I go adding to shorts today? Yes, but a little bit more conservative than what I would normally do. The reason why I was a little bit conservative, and let me define what I mean by conservative versus aggressive. I have 2 types of shorts on Tesla. One is what you call a ratio strangle, where I've sold more deeper out of the money, 330 strike calls, versus deep out of the money, I forget what the put side strike is, puts, nearly 2 to 1. So we added more calls, meaning we sold more calls. And when you hear calls, a lot of people think that's bullish. No, when you sell them, that is bearish. We are betting for a lower low on Tesla, but there's no guarantee. Now, the reason why I didn't get aggressive and buy more puts on Tesla as we did last Thursday was due to the fact that RSI was no longer above an 80 handle. It came off very, very hard. So what I'm guessing here is over the course of the next several days, we're going to get what you saw on NVIDIA several days ago, not even several days, a few weeks ago now, where we broke support on Tesla, where NVIDIA was very overbought. Let me bring up that chart for illustrative purposes. You could see back here, back on May the 31st, May the 30th, we put in a high on RSI and we corrected. But it wasn't the end of NVIDIA. The narrative on the street is that AI is the new big thing. If you don't own it, you're stupid. That's the way they want you to feel. But I've lived through the dot-com bubble. I've been to the puppet show and I've seen the strings. And I know that this doesn't end well. So back here with NVIDIA, we corrected, found support, and rallied back, and we even moved to new higher highs. Now we have a short position on NVIDIA. NVIDIA did close off the lows of the session, but if you take a look at a 30-minute chart, the final 30 minutes of trade did not end well. You have a lower high. If we break 420.80 tomorrow morning, NVIDIA is going measurably lower and will probably lean into the short side. If they limp Tesla up on light volume, then we'll probably lean into the short side even harder than what we are at current. Now, in terms of the triple Qs, we have a short position using the SQQQ, but we also supplemented that trade by buying put options on the Qs using a bear put spread. And today, as we hit support, we booked profits. Now, why did I book profits? This is a pretty bearish looking chart. Stochastics are rolling over. Why did I book profits? I think what they're going to do is they're going to rally. Look at the volume here. Very, very light volume today. It would give you the feel, looking at this chart, that it was a big volume day, but that's only because it was a one-sided day. It was mostly a down day. So we raised capital. Never hurts to take a profit. And what we're looking for is to re-enter the short side of the Qs if they do break support and they limp them back up in an effort to try to recapture support. Usually that retest of prior support after a breakdown fails, and then we will look for a break below today's lows and enjoy the downside. So now turning our focus for a moment before we head over to the... If you enjoyed this clip, please check out the full version in our members area by signing up for our 14-day free trial offer. We'd love to see you in the forum talking with some really great people. So act now, join, and get all of our commentary, market insight, trade alerts, and options income right now. 14-day free trial offer. I'll see you on the other side in the forum. Make sure you say hello. See you there.